everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to sign up on Temu without using a phone number. If you don't want to give your phone number, here's a simple way to create your account using just an email. Open the Temu app on your iPhone, then tap sign in at the bottom of the screen, and then instead of entering a phone number, tap use email option, and then right under the phone field, type your email address. Once you type your email address, tap next and then set a strong password and confirm it to finish signing off. And check your email, copy the code, enter it and tap then a strong password and confirm finish signing off. And that's it. Privacy tip: use a secure email that you control and avoid using temporary or shared address so you don't lose access later. Quick fix: if you don't get the verification code, check your spam or junk folder or tap resend code. After a minute, switching your internet connection from Wi-Fi to mobile data can also help. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes.